Imagine strolling through a vibrant garden, high above the bustling streets of New York City, with stunning views everywhere you look. What if this magical pathway used to be an old elevated railway line? When you walk the High Line, you should look for a captivating blend of carefully curated natural landscapes, innovative public art installations, and truly unique perspectives of the urban architecture surrounding you. It offers a distinct experience that combines history, horticulture, and contemporary culture. This elevated park transformed an abandoned freight rail line, built in the 1930s, into a beautiful public green space. Its unique design preserves elements of the original railway structure, allowing nature and urban design to intertwine, offering a peaceful escape from the concrete jungle below. As you explore, seek out the distinct planting zones like the wild Chelsea grasslands, the serene Gansevoort woodland, and the romantic Diller-Scofidio-Renfro stretch. Keep an eye out for the diverse public art pieces that rotate seasonally, adding surprise and reflection to your journey. Notice how the park offers unexpected vantage points to view iconic buildings, the Hudson River, and the lively street life of the neighborhoods below, especially at the 10th Avenue Square Amphitheater. Also, enjoy the various seating areas and seasonal food vendors for a delightful break. One fascinating detail is how the park's design, by James Corner Field Operations, Diller-Scofidio and Renfro, and the landscape architect Payet Adolphe, deliberately integrates the remaining railway tracks and industrial elements into the lush garden. This creates a powerful dialogue between New York City's industrial past and its green future. You can often see the original tracks peeking through the plantings, a subtle nod to its former life as an elevated freight corridor. Ultimately, the High Line provides a one-of-a-kind urban oasis, inviting you to slow down, observe, and connect with the city in an entirely new way. It is a testament to innovative urban renewal, offering a tranquil yet dynamic space where art, nature, and history converge for an unforgettable New York experience.